People often want to picture what it's like to become insanely rich. Would they give to a charitable foundation, while others might finance their brand new investments? Others might spend their money on outlandish purchases to show off their lavished wealth and fortune. In today's video, we are looking at the 10 most shocking things purchased by the filthy rich. Just don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's as easy as clicking the subscribe button. Number 10. Black Russian cigarettes with golden filters. If you are a rich cigar smoker and you want to boast about how packed you are, what you smoke also counts. And cheers to the trade ban against Cuba that happened all these years. You cannot just parade the forbidden stash of Cuban cigars you've got, so you go for cigarettes that most people would only wish. Sobrani is one of the most prominent tobacco brands in the industry. And guess what? Their filters are made of gold foil. Would you throw out those filters? Sobrani cigarettes were mainly sold in the United Kingdom until introduction of plain packaging, but are still sold in India, Germany, Bulgaria, France, Switzerland, Poland, Romania, Greece, Belarus, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Singapore, Azerbaijan, Croatia, Serbia, North Macedonia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Malaysia, China, Taiwan, and Japan, as well as many duty-free shops and airports. Number 9. Private jet timeshares. The fabulously wealthy love their private jets, but even they know when you own. If you only use it once or twice a month, it's a huge waste, especially when you can hire, lease, or co-own these luxury assets. Some sites let you do just that. You can check out FlexJets or NetJets next time you want to try your luck at a timeshared private jet. Number 8. Buying stocks in companies like Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is a group of many companies, and it is led by Chairman, President, and CEO Warren Buffett. If you are thinking of getting stocks of this company, you need to either be super duper rich or have the capability to time travel. Number 7. Utterly expensive phones. When we, the not-so-rich humans, are getting a new phone, we usually go for functionality and design. But what to do when you have all the newest ones? How about an iPhone made of gold? Or a Vertu phone where the ringtones are unique versions of the London Symphony Orchestra's classic tracks? If you can spend $20,000 on a watch, why not a mobile phone? Like the former Colombian drug kingpin Pablo Escobar's brother, Roberto, whose company is advertising 24K gold-plated iPhones for sale. Number 6. Kidnap insurance. Did you know being extraordinarily rich also entails censors if you're kidnapped? With kidnapping insurance, alarms are the ring and art form for getting instant cash for ransom. Some wealthy people pay for kidnap protection when they move to areas they believe are unsafe. And no, it is not that you'll get kidnapped and your protection pays for the ransom. Sometimes they send a badass rescue team to get you out. Why not? A loaded person can afford a badass rescue team. Number 5. Submarine sports cars. If you are bored with purchasing your ordinary sports car, you might want to adhere to the paths of people who buy an entirely efficient aquatic sports car that we can drive on ocean beds. Motivated by the submarine Lotus driven by James Bond in The Spy Who Loved Me, the car glides when driven into water and submerges with the pull of a lever, dispatching the sports car on an underwater adventure. Because, why not? There are no cops underwater, and great white sharks are better than red lights. Number 4. Gold pills that turn poop into gold. You cannot just be extremely rich and shit out ordinary poop, right? Our world is crazy, I know. You can say it. Designed by Tobias Wong and just another rich kid, aka Ken Courtney, these tablets cost $425 a pop and make your poop gold. Paint, of course. It is just for the guy who has everything, even gold poop. Have $425 on you? Now you can feel like a Lannister. Everyone deserves it. Number 3. Doomsday-proof luxury underground housing. Note, this is for rich people only. Some wealthy people are terrified of ordinary humans gunning for their fortune once the world crumbles, or when the world undergoes a nuclear frost. To shield themselves, the extremely rich are building doomsday-proof amenities underground in some parts of the world. A company in Germany has one such protection. They are also constructing an underground luxury condominium somewhere in Kansas Prairie. It makes us, not-so-rich people wonder, is there something we do not know? Number 2. Emergency rooms. Are we going to the doctor? Who do you think we are, peasants? We got the term concierge medicine, where the patient and his family pay a doctor a yearly fee to be the medical crisis doctor. Some rich people have brought that to a new level. If you're one of these affluent families, then you just might have installed an emergency room right inside your house. Because standing in line to get healthcare should only be a thing for ordinary humans, right? Number 1. A private island. There's rich, and then there's Arab Sheikh rich. Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan, a member of the royal family, sculpted his name on a restricted island he possesses, for alien and astronaut eyes only. Do you know what I mean? Anyhow, he later got it deleted, but it still shows. Carving your name in such an enormous size is the new thing to claim one's territory. Sometimes peeing your name doesn't cut it. The extremely rich will never fail to astonish us. So, what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified every time we have new videos.